And this was the view waiting for us. Miles of ice surrounded by mountains, and somewhere underneath it all were the ice caves we came to explore. But getting to the ice caves was an adventure all on its own. We were climbing over wet, slippery rocks, crossing little makeshift wooden boards that served as bridges, and constantly watching our footing as we made our way higher. And of course, I was trying to stay steady while recording everything at the same time. We knew something pretty incredible was waiting for us underneath the glacier. And just like that, we were inside our first ice cave. We could get right up close to the ice and see all the different textures and formations. Our guide even encouraged us to lick it. Pretty cool. I'm not licking it though. Sorry. No licking? Just touching. Not doing it. No.
Oh, you didn't?
No, I didn't do it. And our guide was genuinely disappointed that I wouldn't lick the glacier. Sorry. Then it was back across the glacier because we weren't finished yet. There was another cave to explore. Getting to the second cave was another adventure. We crossed more makeshift wooden boards over rushing glacier water that honestly looked more like a river. Then it was back to carefully maneuvering over wet, slippery rocks before we could finally step inside the next cave.
Then let's go out. I have to bend over to see them.
And there was a reason for this tight squeeze. On the other side was one of the coolest photo spots, with glacier water falling like a curtain right in front of the cave opening. Definitely worth the squeeze. Then we continued through the cave, making our way toward the other side. Every week, these caves change a little bit and they never know how it's going to look. Which means we may have been the only ones to ever see these caves exactly like this.